Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the AVCOO and this one is the, what is it? It's the, I'll tell you in a second when I put on these horrible glasses. The SM9055 10s in PMS. We're going to check this thing out here and see how it works. If I can get it open. There we go. They seal them up pretty good. Okay, there, that's that. So let's open this up here together so we can all see as it goes what it looks like. So as we open it up, we have the remote here for it. So that's what the remote looks like. It's got a nice sturdy remote. And then we have the plastic separator, some instructions. Comes with a nice little baggie for it. It's like almost like those eyeglass bags. It's got that microfiber stuff. We have a bunch of the pads that'll connect up to you. Like a bunch of different shaped pads here, I guess for the different areas of your body, as well as these. And then we have these. This is the connector for it. It connects USB to USB-C. And then we have these two probes and two probes. So 4 probes. So we get 4 probes from this one, and the box is empty. So let's check this thing out and see how we connect this thing and make it work. So we'll try it here and see what we need to do. I don't know if it's charged at the moment, but we'll soon find out. So it's got all these buttons on the side. You can see these buttons over here. I'm guessing that top one's going to be power, and the one below it are going to be the volume ones. And then these are probably the different settings to say different type. So let's see if we try this out here. Oops, I pushed the power, and the power did turn on. Oh, I don't know if you can see what it says with the light going on, but okay. So let's try these things out here and plug some of these pads in. So I don't know if it matters which side goes into which one, but I'm just going to put one into here. And if I can open this up, I'll put one on the other side. So if you don't know what this is like one of those electrocution massage machines. Okay, so I'm not sure which pads to put where, but let's see what it has a suggestion. Well, I'm gonna, okay, what does it say? Using steps, mode adjustment, it says use port A. I guess if I'm just gonna use the 2 pads, I would just use port A. So I'm gonna use just some of these small ones here, and I'm gonna put them on my back just due to the fact that I have a sore shoulder. I'm not sure. Probably need somebody to help me put these on because I want it down a little bit, but I'll just try it and we'll see what happens with just it up top. So this is what the pads look like here. You can see they are, I'm just gonna, which port was A? I think A is that one. Okay, I'm gonna just try this one here. And so we're gonna try this. So we'll put the black one onto here. It just snaps on. If you've ever had an EKG or something, they always use these little pads. And then this one here. But these are gel kind of pads. I feel like when I peel it off, it's just kind of a gooey pad. And I guess that's because you can kind of sort of reuse it if you took it off. Let's try it out here. So I'll put one there. Oh, it hurt me just putting it on because my shoulder hurts. And I just did have some shots, so. And then we'll try the other one right there. So wish me luck. Oh, so I have 2 on, yes. Okay, so now if I do. Oh, I don't want to go. See, so I have intensity now at, whoa, I feel it. Okay, so now I'm going here. So now I don't know exactly what 80 minutes at mode P26 right now. And now I have it on intensity is 8. So you can kind of see that there. And I'm going to increase the intensity as I feel it. I definitely feel it shocking my arm here. And it's from here to here. I'm not sure I got it exactly where I need it because it's more on my shoulder. But this is the concept of it, and I totally feel it. Wow, I got it up too high now. Now I'm getting shocked. But it's not like shocked like where you want to jump, but it's kind of like a little massage. So it's kind of cool. So this is it. This is, and it seems to work pretty good. I mean, I'm just using one half of it, so you could really target two areas at the same time, or get a full. If I took like one up there, did a cross section, I could get probably a good area of it. And I'm sure in the instructions it's probably going to tell me different areas to try and things like that. And if not, you can just look on their website and figure it out. But it's kind of cool. I mean, I feel it now. It's just vibrating away. So I think I'm going to let this run for about 10 or 15. I wish I could go down a little more. I just can't reach down further. I need it right below my shoulder there. But I need a friend. Anybody want to come here and do this? Just kidding. But that's cool. I like it. So it seems like it should work good. I'll let you know in about 20 minutes how it worked. So I'll be right back.